Hello. I had a minute this morning, so I thought I'd pop on and say hi and just kind of open the conversation so you can ask me any questions that you have. So the way I normally do this is I use this app, Marco Polo, to talk like this, and it can be late at night, early in the morning, whenever you have time. A lot of times I'm in my car if I'm answering quick questions for you while I'm driving. But this is kind of where we chat and talk day to day. But in your email, I will send you video tutorials, recipes, all of those sorts of things. And you can watch those when you have time and look at those recipes. And then pop on here when you have questions or concerns. So that's how the day-to-day would work within the program. It is very fine-tuned to what you want. And all the recipes I give you tutorials with as well. So you can watch the video and see exactly how I incorporate the different ingredients and any tips or tricks I have for those. So that's the information you would get. And plus, of course, we would talk about decorating them. Several tutorials I already have recorded that I could send you on those. It is a class, but I use that word loosely because it's not a class that you have to log in live at a certain time to be involved in. Because most of us have jobs or kids or husband or partner or who knows. And so we're just so busy. We just can't. I couldn't promise to be online at a certain time for a Zoom call. So I don't want you to feel like you have to either. So I think that having it that you can watch the videos in your own time, you can practice recipes in your own time, and then just pop on here when you are making the videos or making the recipes if you have a concern, and I can answer that for you. That's why I like this app as well, because you can just watch them or respond back in your own time. So you will not be in any kind of time constraint. I will just be sending you information throughout those weeks that we work together, and then you can pop on here as you see fit. I have some clients that are on here every day asking questions or just wanting more information, and that's perfectly fine. And I have some that only talk to me on the weekends because that's when they have time to really focus on it. That's fine too. So you can kind of make it your own. It's very, very casual, in your own time kind of class. But the benefit more than just the recipes and tutorials is that I'm here like this, answering your questions and walking you through each step.